Yeah, we're gonna be starting soon. Hey man, what's up? All good, all good. All good. What's up with you? How's the sound? How's the music? Let's check the delay since you're here while waiting. Can you type 1 when you hear this? Shit, there must be horrendous delay here. Not nice. Yeah, it's like more than a minute or so. Alright, I think I'm just gonna start. Yeah, I changed the streamer. Streaming service software, so should be fine now. All right. Okay. I think we can start. I think I just want to start with ETH. Let's close these, we don't need these for now. Alright, as you know, we have an open position with ETH. Long position right from here. So basically I'm expecting a bounce around these levels after taking out this low. Actually, let's see that low in a different in a different chart, because we already taken out this low, but I'm not sure if we took out this one. This is Binance. Let me check if it's all the same with other exchanges. Yeah, Coinbase hasn't taken it. Yeah, this low here hasn't been swept yet, so I'm expecting a sweep of this. It already swept those two though, by the way. This can be front ran like it did on the Doge trade, so we just need to understand what it wants to do here. Yeah, I don't know why that happens. I think I need another. I think someone or some computer is using my stream. My streaming line. There are so many devices, and this is like a separated line. I have 3 lines. One for like TV, like Netflix, Prime, all sorts of shit. One is for phones and one is for streaming. So, and the most powerful one is the streaming one, but I think somebody just hijacked my connection. Alright, so basically we again tap the range low of this range here, and we just be looking. I mean, if we do something like this, I'll probably hedge this position again, validation being there. Or if it holds above, then I'm not gonna touch it, maybe even at the position. So that was the range that it broke out from. So basically above here I think I would be adding to position around this area. If it starts losing this, then especially if it starts getting back inside here, then you know, below here, then I should be looking to short it towards there. So ideally, if this is bullish still, ideally it shouldn't come below this red line, because what was this red line, red zone? It was this area, right? It was this range broke out. I didn't really want to see it back down there, but it has passed some time. So basically, what if it does this, then it means that it wants to go back inside the range again. Then we should play by the range rules. Then this blue is the first area that we look for reaction. If something like that, we need to think about all possibilities. If it comes down like this, and then probably it's gonna bounce, but what it does after the bounce, we'll see. Either like this, or get back in above the range again for bullish continuation. What the hell is going on really? Let me just get rid of all these, because these are probably sucking. Yeah, we'll talk about this later, but let's focus on this first. So yeah, now what we're looking for is the reaction around here. If it comes up here and then starts reject, and I'll probably hedge the position. Actually, I could have hedged here, after this breakdown. Like this was a clean SFP stop run, and after this lower high here, I could have hedged. Yeah, the invalidation should be there. Okay, let's check BTC. I think it's it has a better picture than BTC because it just broke out the range. Now it just needs to hold here. So we know what to do here. We know what we want. So let's check BTC. See, BTC still trading inside this Monday range. It's just again bouncing off of the mid range. But after a squeeze like this, for example, if it does something like that, then if it starts curling down, and especially below this level, I'll look to short again. You can add more here below the mid-range here. You can add more here at this region. For fuck's sake. Yeah. I think it's got the squeeze is coming. Yeah, because this is like easy ride for the shorters. I think it's coming. But basically, until this has broken, we just need to consider this as a range play, because there's nothing else that says otherwise, right? I actually slowly started leaning towards the bear side. I think it may come down to these areas. And that would actually still be fine, right? If it comes down here and then do something like that, I think it should be fine. Still, this is the region, as we talked about, remember, this was the region of breakout. We don't want it to come here, but it has spent enough time around this region. So basically, I would be happy if it does this, not front run this, and then reclaim, and then 32k to these highs. That would be an ideal scenario. If it starts getting back down, then short the fucker to zero. I think that should be a super easy short at that point. Like sell the house, short corn. Because then we'll be looking at the lows of the range, which is here at this region. Since that's a range, we should be looking at these areas at least, right? So that was the range we broke out. If we get back inside, then you should be looking at least these areas. And the highest volume traded is around here, so it probably would like to come down there. If it goes, but this is the bearish scenario, so until this happens, I mean, if this is the case, then long it to long everything basically. We should be still on the bull side. Yeah, obviously this is a resistance area. But then again, it's not rejecting heavily. See, this is a rejection. This is a rejection, but it's not really rejecting, right? Resistance, rejection. Resistance, rejection. When it comes this with this speed to a resistance area, it should reject as bad, right? It's all about speed. You know how fast it came up to that area, but it came up fast, it reject fast. Like it came up fast here. It came up fast, reject fast. Yeah, it just didn't come so fast here, but rejected fast anyways. But see how fast the I mean, like how quick, time-wise, like how soon the rejection comes. In here, it's just been stalling, and it has this divergent structure here, which it looks like, you know, it's gonna bring it down here, and that would be with this kind of move. So that's the thing I'm watching now, but I'm open to both sides. Any questions? I think the stream should be fine now. I want to long AVAX so bad. I mean, this is looking good. See, the reason I want to long it is because of this. It just reclaimed the important level. The momentum is on the bull side. But on the lower time frames, it's actually not doing bad at all. I was gonna say it's doing a bad job in here, but yeah, I don't care about fundamentals, man. I'm sorry. I have no time for that. Yeah, actually, it's still looking good. See that in here, I can say yeah, something like this. See, it can still come down here and it will still be okay, and that will be the Monday high. So any dip here would also be fine. I would look to position around here, or if it breaks out of this, then I mean, we already had a position here, but I just don't want to manage this because I want to focus on BTC and ETH for now, and I want to participate in these kind of breakouts as it happens. I don't want to sit in positions and wait. I have better things to do. If ETH or BTC breaks up or down, then I don't want to deal with this in case of a breakdown and if I'm long on this. Once I'm properly positioned on BTC and ETH, I'm already long on BTC. Both I'm long on from much lower, but I need to decide if I want to hedge or if I want to add to longs. So until I know that, until I do that, I take it easy with alts. But I mean, this one looks good really. EOS also looking good, by the way. I was checking EOS the other day. EOS also looking good. If it just frees itself from this, there's also range here, right? So basically it's a range playing time. It's nothing's trending. Nothing trending, I'm saying, but this guy was trending. Like, this is one of the outliers. Now it's trending down. Probably, you know what it's gonna do? Probably it's just gonna revert whole move down and then make a fresh high. It's what it's been doing. It's been doing the same shit over and over again. And I just discovered this. Actually, on the daily, it shows better, I think. You see, what a fucked up chart. It just comes all the way up, comes all the way down, and then goes all the way up again, halfway back, fresh highs. So it's like so probably if it comes down here, and I would like to see if I can position myself. So I'm just waiting for now, not touching this. Yeah, I don't know what's up with these dinos. I'll just put an alarm here so I don't forget about this. Last time I forgot, basically. I should have put an alarm here. Neo, let's check Neo. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Hello, Neo. I think it looks good. Looks really nice. I don't like these dinos moving. Yeah, that's very nice. Reclaim the support. I mean, flip the resistance into support. Let's check the 3D. I just wonder how this looks like. That's really nice. Really, really nice. It's actually, that's your 3D level right here. That's very good. Yeah, I think it is gonna challenge these. At least here or there. Looks very good. Yeah, I think this should be longed after any pullback. Yeah. Yeah, by the way, stream is coming way behind me. I'm watching the stream on one side. I think it's like a minute or more than a minute later. Basically, I would say also, you know, you can watch for this breakout also, but there is also level here. I think this is the level to be broken. So if it flips this, then I think it's just gonna shoot. Yeah, this looks like it could use a little bit pullback or at least consolidation. Some consolidation here and then breakout. Well, lower time frames are a little bit stretched. Too much stretching going on. Okay, yeah, I think there is not much sense to look at every other altcoin because, yeah, this guy's fucked. Actually, it's not looking so bad. It just hit the yearly open. Let me see what is done. $2021 open, it just hit, but that's a monster mover basically. So I would like to see it a little come down a little bit. Like here would be perfect. Here would be perfect. Let's mark this level. Here. I cannot see it because, yeah. And let's check where it stands. Yeah, it's been selling off, but yeah, it's heavy selling going on. Nope, heavy selling. Yeah, I think this is the area that it could make a bounce. ICX. Like some interesting shit like IOST. Like these are dinos. Like RSR was pumping for no reason, and it's just coming down on support right now. It's right here. So we need to see how it reacts here. And another one pumping is Ontology. See, these are Dino coins. Dino coins. Just broke out from this range. Yeah, just broke out from here. And hit the first possible target. Yeah, I think this is like, I'm not feeling too comfy about all this. These guys shouldn't be pumping like this. Yeah, but I'll be watching, hopefully share some setups. We know what to do with BTC. I think it's gonna go, fuck, it's still pumping. Let's see what's going on in the lower time frame. Yeah, not. Yeah, I think it's probably coming to an end. There's no point getting into this. I don't really check these Dino coins at all. See, they're like always at the back of the lists. Yeah, okay, I think let's get back to work and see what the New York Open will bring. Wow, yeah, this guy pumped so hard lately, and now it's reversing the whole thing. Let's see, not good. This is not good at all. Yeah, I tried to break this. Instead, it swept. Like very good trade actually. If I was watching this, diverged over here. Also, these two highs are. It's like show of loss of momentum, and now it's coming back down here again. I think it probably gonna do this. So yeah, I need to scan the markets for stuff like this, because it's an easy short that could be much better hedged than hedging the actual positions. Like this short is a better hedge than hedging ETH with ETH. Because you basically, by hedging ETH with ETH, the same position, you're basically locking in the profit, whichever it goes. You're basically gaining nothing, losing nothing. But in these cases, look at this for example. Let's say you took the trade here, like that's a 17% decrease. Then again, you cannot really position as big into this, but you don't need to. If BTC lose 5%, this guy lose 17%, so you can use 1/3 of the position and that will be enough. Alright guys, thanks for joining, and I'll try to stream if something else happens and hopefully find some good trades. Alright, see you in the server. Cheers.